Welcome to our short TeamGuru tutorial, how you can take advantage and use our functionality for action list MyALL Actions. When you go to our action list module and from the submenu you will choose MyALL Actions option. Now you will be able to use our advanced filter for all the actions from the system. And you can select between all these options, how you would like to filter your actions. And based on your selection, then you will be able to see all these actions. And before we start working with our filter, it's important to mention that at this point, before anything is set up, you are able to see all documents that you can view and you have access to. Here you might see a message that some documents are not included here because you are not allowed to view them. Just a little reminder. And now here you can search your actions, and you can also search actions per person or user group. Let's go ahead and select our users. You have an option to choose either active or passive users from the system. You can select as many as you need to. You also have an option to select a user group that is already created in the system. And if you need to create a new user group, you have to have a sufficient role. And if you don't, then please reach out either to your system administrator or us, and we will be very happy to create one for you. Now let's continue. Here you will find all the options, filter options. You can filter your actions by archive, status, overdue, date, project type, flag, even specific module. Under more options, you will be able to select if you want to include archive documents or show main tasks. Document location, let's say that you will decide that you would like to view actions only from the specific folder and its subfolders. In that case, you will just choose your folder from the org structure. Document, here you will be selecting a specific document or documents that you would like to view its actions. And we also have an advanced filter, and you will find more options here. And once you select all your options, when you just click on them, then all the actions will be displayed accordingly. And we have another great feature that you can use, and it is you are able to preset your filters. And you can use this feature in our other modules as well whenever you are working with filters. But let's say that every time when you come here, you have to set up all your options and you don't want to do it every single time. In that case, once you set up your filter, you are able to click this plus button, name your filter. And now you will see that your preset filter shows up right here. And you are able to set up and save as many filters as you need to. And when you come back, then you don't need to select from all these options again. You just have to go to your submenu and choose between your filters. And if you are not using the filter anymore, whenever you are set on that filter, you can also delete it. And now we can see all actions based on our selection. In the left column, you will see all your actions. In the middle column, you will see source documents for these actions. You will also see column for responsible, UETA date, and status. You will notice that our actions and source documents have a live link. So when I click on it, it will take me either directly to that source document, or when I click on the action, it will take me there. And I will be able to modify the actions directly from here. I will be able to see all the details. And you will also notice that we have a live link to related documents for that particular action. So let's say that this document is linked to a dashboard. So when I click on it, it will take me directly to that metric dashboard. And you have an option to sort these columns by either action name. When you click on it, it will be sorted by action name and it will be in alphabetical order. Same thing for source document. You can also do it for responsible, UETA date, and status. And before we finish, I would like to also mention that you are able to export these actions either to Excel sheet or PDF file. A PDF file will, for example, look like this. And you also have an option to view statistics for these actions. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.